I'm Samantha, and today I'm going to show you some coding methods on how to learn about coding with cups, coding with pictures, or coding just with simple basic games. So I'm just going to go disappear into the corner right here so I could show you one coding method. Okay, since I'm right here, I'm going to show you coding with cups. So basically, coding with cups is, you're just like basically learning how to code. So here's your cups. Yeah, you can see that. And then this little paper right here is how to do your coding with cups. And I'm going to show you more about that paper right now because we are going to go to that paper. Right here. Right there. As you can see it. I'm gonna zoom back into the screen right here, and you can see the coding with cups is very simple. You're gonna go up, side, side, down. So you're basically just putting the cup down on the table. And then you're gonna go up, side, side, down. Basically, on the table again. And then you're just gonna keep on going until you have a coding method like this. So that's basically how you code, but yeah. Next coding method is pick monkey, or code monkey actually. Sorry, I was whispering to myself anyways. You have your VFs right there. And here's one called Whiteboard. I don't know if you know that game, but it's basically just like a little robot learning how to do coding methods to light up all three of these little lights. Right there. Then we have our coding methods, which is right there, actually, at the moment. And then there are more types of coding methods. But here's that's one game that you like to play coding methods on. So basically for coding you have like this. You have up, side, or turn, actually that's turn. Alright, I'm going to just rewrite them. Or we're going to go to your whiteboard, and we're going to go disappear into, alright. You can't see me right now, basically, but I am behind the whiteboard. And one coding method is up, side, other side, down. And then there also is turn, other turn, and another turn. If you turn twice, that means the cup's like flipped over. Yeah, those are like two coding methods in turn too. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to the whiteboard to show you some Code Monkey. Code Monkey is like really simple, I don't know if you know that. So we're gonna go to Code Monkey right here. I'm back right here, and Code Monkey is very simple, if you know. So you're basically just learning, those are the codes, you're getting this little monkey to this banana. But you basically just gotta type it. So it's very easy if you know that, but it also can be really hard. And that's why Code Monkey is like kind of nice, kind of good. Because there's also these little things that so you don't have to type it, it'll just show up for you. Basically that's kind of it about that coding. But now we're going to get to some other coding, which is actually, there's an app called Scratch. You got to learn how to do it. We're going to go to Whiteboard. We're going to go to a whiteboard to show you how to do it. You're on Whiteboard already, but we're just going to go to this cross-line paper. Scratch, it kind of shows you how to, do something very easy. It shows you how to animate your name, which is kind of simple and stuff, and a little bit confusing too. So first you gotta go to like your touch side, text out. Okay, so Scratch is like basically, you could just go to this thing called code.org. If you don't know how to spell it, it's right here. Code.org to help you with your stuff. And you basically just go to Hour of Code or Learn, and that's where it will be. And then you go down to those little two arrows. It's going to look like this. And then you swipe to the side, swipe, swipe, swipe. And there's going to be a thing called Scratch. It's basically just like you drawing your name, editing it basically. And you're just kind of just gonna, and you could also do things on Scratch, which is like animate your name, like so you can, there's these things called pixels, and you go on there, you click a letter, and you can kind of animate it. So that's basically one thing about Scratch. And then there's kind of like other different types of apps like scorpions or squidges, I don't know. I can't really pronounce it really good, but it's right here. Right there. So it's basically just an app to help you get to your stuff. Or it's kind of this app. Or it's kind of just like this app. It's basically just a little itty bitty fuzzy ball trying to get its way to the, right there, to like that area. And then those things on top of here, these things, like right here, those two things, they help you with your websites, like the stuff, to help your little guy move. So basically on coding, it's kind of simple. You should know what it is, like people programming stuff on computers. Very easy. But I would just like to say coding's kind of good. It's fun to do. You should do it. Try coding.org. Try code.org. It's really helpful to help you. Bye. Bye.